When homeowners in Clinton Township look for ways to improve comfort, curb appeal, and energy efficiency, one solution stands out: double-hung windows. These timeless window designs not only enhance the beauty of a home but also offer functional benefits that can make everyday living more enjoyable. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply want to update old, drafty windows, double-hung windows are a smart investment that truly transform homes inside and out. Timeless curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your windows play a major role in your home's exterior appearance. Double-hung windows are known for their classic look that fits seamlessly with many architectural styles, from traditional colonial homes to modern townhouses. The symmetrical design adds balance and charm to the facade, while customizable features, such as frame colors, grid patterns, and finishes, allow homeowners in Clinton Township to match their unique style. Choosing these windows instantly boosts curb appeal, making your home more inviting and increasing its resale value. Natural light and better views inside the home. Double-hung windows brighten every room by allowing ample natural light to filter in. Their wide glass panes create open views of your yard, garden, or street, making your interior feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. Because both the upper and lower sashes can move, you also have the flexibility to adjust your view and airflow without sacrificing style. Whether you're in the living room, kitchen, or bedroom, double-hung windows provide a fresh, airy atmosphere that makes daily life more enjoyable. Superior ventilation. Clinton Township homeowners know that Michigan summers can be warm and humid. Double-hung windows provide excellent ventilation, allowing you to open both the top and bottom sashes at the same time. Warm air escapes through the top, while cooler air enters through the bottom, creating natural circulation that helps keep rooms comfortable. This practical design reduces the need to rely heavily on air conditioning, which can help lower energy costs during warmer months. Easy cleaning and maintenance. One of the standout features of double-hung windows is their ease of cleaning. Both sashes tilt inward, allowing homeowners to clean the inside and outside glass from inside the home. This feature is especially convenient for upper-story windows, eliminating the need for ladders or professional cleaning services. Low-maintenance frame materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, make these windows even more homeowner-friendly. With minimal upkeep, they maintain their beauty and functionality for years. Energy efficiency and comfort. Clinton Township winters can be harsh, and drafty windows can make heating your home a challenge. Modern double-hung windows are built with advanced insulation features, including multi-pane glass, low-E coatings, and tightly sealed frames. These elements help reduce heat loss in winter and prevent excess heat from entering in summer. By improving energy efficiency, double-hung windows keep your home more comfortable year-round while lowering heating and cooling bills. Over time, this makes them a cost-effective upgrade that benefits both your home and your wallet. Safety and security. Double-hung windows are also designed with safety in mind. Many models include advanced locking mechanisms to give homeowners peace of mind. In addition, because you can open the top sash while keeping the bottom one closed, families with young children or pets can enjoy fresh air without compromising safety. This added versatility ensures your home remains both secure and family-friendly. A smart investment for Clinton Township homes. Replacing outdated windows with double-hung models isn't just a cosmetic change, it's an investment in comfort, style, and efficiency. From boosting curb appeal and increasing property value to improving indoor air quality and energy savings, these windows transform homes in ways that are both practical and visually striking. For Clinton Township residents, double-hung windows offer the perfect combination of tradition and modern performance, making them a standout choice for any home improvement project. Bottom line: double-hung windows are more than just a window upgrade, they're a lifestyle upgrade. By choosing them, you're not only improving how your home looks from the street but also how it feels to live in every day.